30 Types of Popular Opuntia Pictorial Guide. Opuntia, also called prickly pear cactus, is a group of cacti types that are native to the Americas and discovered mostly in dry and semi-arid areas. This plant is best known for its juicy and vibrant fruit, which are called irritable pears, and are treasured for their sweet and tangy taste. Opuntia ficua India. Opuntia robusta. Opuntia engelmanni. Opuntia macrocentra. Opuntia lindemari. Opuntia fiacantha. Opuntia aurea. Opuntia basilaris. Opuntia stricta. Opuntia arenacea. Opuntia is an important and distinct plant that provides a vast array of advantages to those who grow it. From its tasty fruit to its ability to grow in harsh conditions, Opuntia is a plant that will continue to be treasured for generations to come. Visit asucculent.com for the complete list.